What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Week 13 live cop, another change of scenery, so please forgive that. For this week, it is highlighted by kind of the Burberry bucket hat and dad hat, kind of. I think it's like a dad hat, as well as a Doc Martin collab. And then this week, we're actually going for a lot of things, so that's why I wanted to record this video, because last week we just went for the one item. I'm going for, looks like 5 different items. We're going to try to get the Doc Martens. We're also going to try to get both of the Burberry hats, which is not probably going to be too believable there, but as well as the Malcolm X t-shirt, and that might have been all. I'm looking over on Dropside J right now just to see what we have, and I think that's going to be everything. And again, I am still pretty sick, so please excuse my voice. Oh yeah, there's the belt that's coming out. I think Jay said that's going to be like $148 or something like that, but I'm probably going to pass on that only because I just got 3 BB Simon belts, so I see to have no need for this whatsoever, and I don't really know if I would wear that, to be honest. And I'm trying to be more smart with my money and only buy things I'm actually going to use instead of just stockpiling hundreds of items that I'm never going to use again. So instead of that, I think I'm just going to pass. But yeah, we are going to try to get those 2 bucket hats, the Malcolm X shirt, as well as the Doc Martens. And then I think what I'm going to do is try to get both of the Supreme Burberry items in one cart. I know, probably not the best idea, but I think it might be one or the other. I think the bucket hat is most hyped, so maybe I'll just go for the dad hat, but I'm not entirely sure yet. I'm still trying to figure that out. But we have 2 minutes left until the drop, so let me cue up the screen recording. Okay, so we got the screen recording up here, and hopefully it's good to go. Like I said, last week I was having a few difficulties with that, but I think it should be good. So we got about 2 minutes left until the drop. I did not check the sellout times. Usually I always forget to do that until someone told me last week, why don't you check the sellout times? So maybe we can check that out really quickly. Oh, it's not even up here yet. How do you guys even check the sellout times? It's not up here yet. This is only week 12. Well, I guess we are not checking the sellout times yet. Alright, anyways, forget that. Let's just take one last glance over at the drop. So yeah, I might even try to get that other dad hat, but I'm not entirely sure yet. That's just if I'm trying to, well, we'll see how mad I get at this, because like I said, I don't think I'm going to take any W's, except maybe on the Malcolm X shirt. Oh, and I did want to mention too, I completely forgot about this. It is also kind of highlighted by this fleece jacket. I'll put a picture up on the screen. I don't know what it's called though. I really did want that, but I already know it's going to be like crazy expensive. So we'll see. If it's still in stock by the time I'm done with everything else, we might go for it. But yeah, let's just jump right back into this because we got about 30 seconds left until the drop. It's 11, so let's go. It's having some difficulties right there as usual. It has not loaded yet, and I'm still just gonna go with the new option, even though no one really seems to know what's the best option for that. Oh, it's lagging. I'm also on like the world's 2nd worst Wi-Fi right now, so that could have something to do with it. But let's hopefully, oh, there we go. I missed it. We're gonna try to get both of these hats, probably in the pink colorway. Oh, and you gotta do this dragging thing again. Oh no, it's already lagging. Let's just try to get this in small. And we gotta put the Burberry box in. Not looking so hot right now. Dang, it's $216 for both of those hats. That is crazy. I'm just gonna leave that alone and see what that does. Wow, 2 hats, $216. Now we're gonna try to get the Doc Martens. Probably should have clicked on shoes, would have been better. They still got my size. Oh wow, this is lagging, guys. This is lagging. 1 pair of Doc Martens is cheaper than 2 hats. Did we get the hats? Oh, we actually got both of the Supreme Burberry hats. Was not expecting that. Hopefully we can get the Doc Martens. But we're gonna go back now for the, oh, I did get the Doc Martens. It looks like we are cooking today. So we just gotta get the Malcolm X shirt. Hopefully it's still there. I feel like it should. I don't know what color I should get. Probably black. Black's probably it. Wow, small still in stock. That's kind of hard time believing that. Oh, sold out. All right, maybe we can try white. We can try white. Oh yeah, I got a white small. Going back to view wall because I try to get that hat. Yeah, this one. This one's actually pretty fire. Wow. Gonna have to pay all that shipping just for this. So let's hopefully see if we can get this. It's lagging again, guys. But I can't even be mad. I already got everything else that I really wanted. I got both the Burberry hats. Now I feel like it's even more lagging on the Malcolm X shirt out of all those items. Alright, we got it. We got the Malcolm X shirt as well as whatever that was. The fat tip Jacquard denim camp cap. We got that in black. So let me just screenshot this real quick so I have this. And yeah, that was actually a complete W. I don't know when the last time was that I even got everything that I wanted. Let's see if, well, let's check out this real quick. Somehow this is still in stock. It's $198. Looks like they have every single size. No one, I guess, wanted this, but I thought this was pretty sick. All right, let's go back though real quick so we can see if any of that stuff that we just got is out of stock. Wow, the Doc Martens are still in stock. Wow, there's my size just sitting 3 minutes after the drop and it's still there. That is actually pretty crazy. I thought for sure those were gonna sell out. I've been wrong. This $5,000 rug sold out though, so that's crazy. The belts are all still in stock. Was not really expecting that. What was it? 148. Okay, it actually says sold out. 148 was the retail on that. And then you got, if the Burberry hats are not sold out, I'm gonna be devastated. Okay, they are sold out. All right, thank God. Yeah, both Burberry hats are sold out, so that's good. And the Malcolm X shirts are just sitting, which I kind of did expect that, but I mean, I can't be mad. It looks like small's gone though, so that's good. But the other colors are, still there. So then right before I wrap up the video, I will go to StockX real quick to see if any of this stuff is on here. And then, wow, that Supreme lamp. Oh, it says lamp. That Supreme lamp that I got last week looks like it is bricking. So what was I typing in? Burberry. Is this even the hat? This cannot be the same hat. This is probably because like it like the pre-release or whatever, right? Because there's no way that hat is sold for $385. So obviously once I get mine in, it's gonna probably get down to like $45. But still a W. Let's see if we can find another hat real quick. Where's the bucket hat that I just got? Here's the bucket hat I just got. Going for $273 right now, which is actually kind of wild. But like, oh wait, last sale, no sale. That's the lowest ask. My bad, I read that wrong. Hopefully that maintains somewhat of its value by the time I get that in. And was that everything? Yeah, we don't gotta check the Malcolm X shirt. So I can end the screen recording right now. All right, so that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. A very successful drop, actually. I can't believe I got everything that I wanted. That like never happens ever. It's been quite a long time. I'm not screen recording right now, but I did want to see if that jacket was still in stock. Wow, all those jackets are still in stock. Full size run again. I literally can't believe that. I thought that thing was gonna fly. So besides that, I was pretty correct with everything else. I thought this was pretty sick too. Anyways, I'm getting distracted. So thanks again for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, I have a ton of other live cops. I'm gonna be trying to doing this a lot more frequently. So if you do want to see things like that, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as drop a like on this video so I know that you want to see videos like this. Lastly, before I go, I did mention in my last video, a lot of you guys know I do have my own brand. It is Hellheart. This is actually one of our hats, and I will leave a link to the description down below if you want to check that out because we do have a few left, as well as we do have some Friday the 13th $13 tees left as well. So please check that out if you can. And then again, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit subscribe, turn on the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.